Ikaw ang isang Pilipinong manggagamot, ilubog sa lahat, makadiyos, makatao.
Kapay ka ng may kapal, sa puso, isip at gawa, pagkakyan ang katangian ng
present to you the Jubilarian class representatives of 2012, escorted by our Silver Jubilarians. Class of 2007, the Wood Jubilarians. The Teen Jubilarian class of 2002. The Crystal Jubilarian class of 1997. The China Jubilarian class of 1992. The Pearl Jubilarians of 1982. The Coral Jubilarians of 1977. The Ruby Jubilarians of 1972 clerks and interns. The Sapphire Jubilarians of 1967. The Golden Class Jubilarians of 1962, the Emerald Jubilarians of 1957, the Diamond Jubilarians of 1952, the Platinum Jubilarians of 1947, and joining them, our Silver Jubilarians, with the President of the Organizing Committee, President Elvis Llavena, with the Doctors of the Silver Jubilarians. Let's join our hands together once again for the Jubilarian class representatives of 2012 with our Silver Jubilarians.
Sa apat na sino, pagpapalala
Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. On stage are the people who made this evening possible, the members of the ad hoc of 2012, from the different batches, and my classmates from the Silver Jubilarian of 1987. Please give them a big round of applause. We would like to thank everybody, all of you who are present right now, and all of those who made this possible. All the help were extended to us. Maraming salamat po. Let's propose a toast for the celebration to our Jubilee and to next year's successful Jubilee also. Good evening, mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.